Good morning, my dear students. Did you enjoy your holidays? Okay. Now we can see about the one mole molecule. What do you mean by one mole? Mole is used to denote the amount of substance which contain n number of particles. Is it clear? Amount of substance which contains n number of particles. What do you mean by n number? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That is the Avogadro number. It is denoted as Na. You know that. It is denoted as Na. What do you mean by this Na number of molecules or Avogadro number of molecules? That we can see. How many molecules of water are present in 1 mole of water? 1 mole of water is equal to Na number. Na number of molecules are present in 1 mole of water. But what is its mass? Its mass is 1 mole of water means H2O. Its molecular mass is 18. So mass expressed in gram, that is called mass in grams, that is 18 gram. Then how many GMM is present in it? How many GMM is present in it? That is 1 GMM. So you have to keep in mind this one. 1 mole of water contains n number of molecules. Then this n number of molecules contain how many grams? That is 18 gram. The molecular mass of water is 18. That is 18 grams. And how many GMM? Which is named as 1 GMM. 1 GMM means 1 gram molecular mass. 1 gram molecular mass of water is 18 grams. Is it clear? So we can say in different ways. Is it clear that? Then 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules are called 1 mole molecule. So again we are repeating. 1 GMM is equal to 1 mole and which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecule. The same is repeated. Is it clear or not? So you have to keep in mind these expressions. Then N2 is a diatomic molecule. So the molecular mass of nitrogen is 28, you know. Then so this 28 gram of nitrogen can be written in 6 different ways. See this one, this is the way of writing 28 gram of nitrogen. So there are 6 ways of or different ways of writing this 28 gram of nitrogen. So you have to keep in mind this one while doing the problems. So 28 gram of nitrogen is equal to 1 GMM of nitrogen. 28 എന്നുള്ളത് 1 GMM, that is 1 gram molecular mass. Then which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. And which is equal to 1 mole N2 molecules. 1 mole N2 molecules. Then we can see it is equal to 2 GAM of nitrogen. GAM means gram atomic mass. So while expressing in gram atomic mass, it is 28. So it is 2 GAM. Then which is same as 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. In the case of atom, it is 2 into Na. In the case of molecules, it is Na only. See the difference. Then 2 mole nitrogen atoms. We are expressing in atom this way. That is 2 mole nitrogen atoms. Here it is 1 mole nitrogen molecules. Here it is 2 mole nitrogen atoms. This way we can express it in atom case. In this way we can see in the molecular form. Is it clear or not? So 28 gram of nitrogen is equal to the 6 or is can be written in this 6 different ways. So keep in mind that this very important one. So they are asking in the filling the blanks and all for this type of questions. Now we can see the relationship between volume of gas and moles. So you have learned already in the first part of this lesson Avogadro's law. What is Avogadro's law? Volume of is directly proportional to number of molecules in the case of gases. That means in the case of gases at a given pressure and temperature, the volume of a gas depends upon the number of molecules and not on the type and the size of the molecules. You listen carefully. I have given you two definitions. This is one of the definition and the another definition is equal volume of all gas under the same conditions of temperature and pressure contain the same number of molecules and hence their volume will also be the same. And this is Avogadro's law and which is named as molar volume of the gas. അതിനെയാണ് പറയുന്നത് molar volume, which is same as what? Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law is stated as equal volume of all gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure contain the same number of molecules. And see that the temperature and pressure will be same. Then see that 273 Kelvin temperature and 1 atm pressure are known as standard temperature and pressure or STP. So molar volume at STP is 22.4 liters. See this one, molar volume at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. What is standard temperature? 273 Kelvin. Standard pressure is 1 atm. So at standard temperature and pressure, the volume of any gas is equal to the 22.4 liters. And this is also named as molar volume at STP. So what is molar volume? The 22.4 liter is the molar volume of any gas at STP. Any gas at STP means standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature is 273 Kelvin. Standard pressure is 1 atm. Then see this one, 1 mole hydrogen at STP. 1 mole hydrogen means H2 is equal to 22.4 liters. Then 1 mole nitrogen at STP also 22.1 mole carbon dioxide also 22. So 1 mole of any gas, whichever the gas we have taken, number of mole is equal to, molar volume is equal to 22.4 liters. Is it clear or not? Say, I will tell you once again, molar volume of any gas at STP is 22.4 liters.